Hey, welcome to my $1,000,000 trading journey, and this is my first vlog one. And welcome to Geek Investor Channel, your resource for all things related to crypto. And before I start, there's a disclaimer: this is not financial advice, and I'm not obviously not a financial expert as well. I'm just sharing my experience of failures and success, so they can learn from mine as well. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So what you're seeing right here is I'm thinking of actually sharing my training journals. So it's also for me to keep track of what my mistakes are, and also what my trades are and how do I trade. So I bought in a paid indicator for the first time. This indicator costs about 75 Sing dollars per month. It's a bit costly, to be honest. But after I bought it, I tried it, and the first day I tried, I actually gained quite good profits from it. Unfortunately, today, make some failures, and I'm going to share you what my mistakes are, so that you won't make the same mistake as what I done. Okay, so basically, before I start my day, this is the first thing I do. I open up two of my trading view pairs. So I trade on ICP. Not necessarily you have to trade. I enjoy personally and trading on this because why the margins and percentage are always quite high. So it's about 5 to 6%. Some people don't like this because if you guess wrongly, you actually make a loss. But you can see from the indicator, there's a stars showing here, and basically it tells you when to go in and when to go out. So I did some fine tuning today, as well as this was my second day using this indicator. And so this star is actually a paid indicator. This below here is also a paid indicator, the speed indicator that tells you when to go in and when to go out. These two are free indicators. So this is a little bit like the RSI, but it has a twist to it where it tells you the bear and the bull. And this is basically the MACD. So it's quite comprehensive number of indicators that I use. So before I start the day, normally the first thing I do is I wish somebody has teach me this, but no one really did. Okay, so first thing you want to do is to draw your lines. Okay, so you're going to draw trend lines. So I draw one trend line on top here and one trend line over here, these two here, so that I know where's the top and where's the bottom for the day before I start my trading day. All right, so this is and most videos you watch online, they always show like on the front. So I'm going to show you from like as if I'm trading together with you, and what are my mindset when I was trading, so they can learn from me and my mistakes that I made today. Okay, so it start off like this. So I didn't do anything. I was waiting for the blue star to appear, okay, to tell me when to buy. But I wasn't that confident to buy at this point, even though the MACD at the bottom show there's a cross at the bottom. You can't really see, but there's a cross at the bottom arrow there. Okay, let me see. Okay, move it a bit. Okay, so there's a little cross here that tells me it's going to go up, but I wasn't confident it will go up. In fact, later on, after a while, I saw a white star, sorry. So I thought it would go down. So this arrow shows over here that it was going down. So I move here to the right. So on the 3 minute chart, it shows actually no. I was waiting for the blue star actually. So my first mistake was that I saw a white star, and the next star that's going to come out is actually a blue star. So I should be doing a buy position rather than a sell position. All right, at this point, I was a bit impatient. Okay, so I was a bit kanjiang also as well. So what happened was I bought a short here, and I actually lost money here. Okay, I lost money, you can see here. So I lost here about maybe $10-20 around there. All right, because my position is pretty big. So it slowly went down. So if I waited for this blue star, all right, I would do a buy instead, because the rationale behind it is that whenever you see a white star, I should wait for the blue star. And once you see the blue star, like this, like in this case, you see the blue star, and I know the rules, but I break my own rules. Alright, I actually break my own rules. Okay, so my first rule when I trade is always trade according to where the star movement is, and also according to the trend. So now it's in the downtrend, as you can see here. So normally I'll draw a line, something like this. Okay, so important to follow rules. All right, rules are meant to save you and also help you to make money, but if you break them, normally you lose money, which what happened today. Okay, so I lost quite a lot today as well, but it's a learning curve. That's what happens in trading, and this is a new indicator, so I'm just learning along the way and enjoying the experience. And I'm sharing you this because I realized that patience is very important. So the blue star appear here. The signal, the buy signal for me is basically when I see a blue star here, I need to see another blue star over here. Okay, then I must see a cross. This is a trend line that I draw. It must cross, and here must be green. Here also must be green. Alright, and in order for me to do a buy, I mean do a long. Okay, so you can see there's a green here, there's a green here, so I just only see this star green, but I'll do a long. All right, if I do a long here, it will be so nice, but I didn't. Okay, so what happened, I did it later on. All right, because what happened, I saw this blue, I knew it will go down. All right, so I do a long here. All right, I was waiting for the green. Okay, and then after that, what I did here. Okay, then I saw this white star. I was a bit panicked. All right, I did a little bit of panic. All right, so when I saw this, right, actually I was somewhere around here, and I saw there's a trend breaking here. All right, so I got a feeling it should not go below this trend line that I draw over here. So I was certain that it should not go further than this line. Okay, so I just continue. Then luckily I saw the blue star. Actually, this blue star aligns with this blue star over here. It's not this blue star. So sometimes one problem we have is that sometimes we go in too early, sometimes we go in too late. Okay, so for me it's like as long I know I'm confident in this trend line. So trend lines are very important. So I draw a trend line at the bottom here and another trend line here, and I was waiting for it to break up. That is what I predicted. Okay. And I know from experience that every time when there's a triangle pattern like this, it normally will break upwards, which truly in the end it did lah. Okay, so so if I bought here, if I waited, if I would have waited, maybe I can do another DCA. What I learned from here is I should have do another long order here, to increase my position. All right, so basically you see there's a little indicator here that tells you when to actually go in as well. If you wait patiently. So I knew it will go up, but it's a matter of which star it will go up. Okay, so it's very hard to predict sometimes. So we do make mistakes sometimes, but that happens in trading. So basically, I just wait. So I bought at this arrow. I was waiting for it to go up. Okay, so when I saw so what happened here, okay, is I saw this white star, kind of panic. Okay, then I wait until here. Then after I wait around here, I saw the blue star. Okay, and I make one major mistake is I profit over here. I exit over here. All right, I shouldn't have wait. I made one mistake is that I did not wait for the white star to appear before I sell. Because since I saw the blue star, right? So I should wait for the white star, then I will sell. If I should have waited, I didn't wait. So what happened? I sold over here and I sold too early. Okay, and I sold way too early. All right, so I should actually sold over here, but I didn't. So if I did, I would have made about maybe close to 1%. Okay, which is around $20 for me. All right, around $20 for me. All right, so I only make like maybe $5-6 here, around there. Okay, so continue on. So never mind, we missed the trade. I believe I make another trade over here. Yes, another one here. Okay, because I saw that the trend break the triangle. All right, the trend break the triangle over here, which is over here on the right side. So I thought it will go higher than that. I thought it will break all the way up. So that's why I bought over here. But I guessed wrongly, as usual. Okay, it only went, in fact, it immediately went down. So another mistake was I did not wait for the star to form, and I jumped the gun and actually based on emotion and trade over here. Okay, so the moment I saw the white star, I kind of panicked because I know it would go down, and true enough, it went down. All right, when it went down, I saw there's opportunity to break even, so I break even over here. All right, didn't lose much money on this one, so I managed to break even here. Then I knew it was going down, and then again another mistake. I didn't wait for the blue star again, so I bought in here. I bought in over here. Okay, and then it started to go down, and then I'm thinking, since it's going down, I will do a buy. I will do a short. So you can see I make many mistakes to here. I buy and sell at the wrong time. Oh, sorry, I did long here, but I didn't exit it. I continue to hold. All right, I continue to hold the trade here. All right, then I saw it went down. I continued to buy I dollar cost average. I bought another long position here. So I bought two long position here, and I saw it going down. Since it's going down, I do a short at the same time. So I do two long and one short at the same time. Not recommended you to do this. Okay. So what happened is I saw the blue star, okay, start to come out. So my first mistake was I did not wait for the star again. I wish I waited for the star instead. If I waited for the star and the green and bought at this position, I will be in profit by then. So that was my another mistake. Today is really a very sad day because I didn't wait. So because I didn't wait, this one I did a loss. So I lost on this trade. So I lost about maybe 0.37%. These two, I was trying to break even this one and trying to make a profit from this one. So I was trying to dollar cost average. So I saw the blue star. I was quite confident it will go up, and then the indicators show that there was some white color candles. White color means the momentum of the long was strong, so I was quite confident to it going up. All right, so it continued to go up, and again the mistake that I did here, I sold here exactly around here, somewhere here. Okay, and yeah, this one make some money, not much money, maybe a few dollars, and that was another mistake. Again, my mistake was I did not wait for the white star to appear. If I had waited for the white star, I would have profit at least $50, but I didn't. Instead, I only profit, I think it was 14 or $10 only. Very little profits. Okay, so that was a mistake I made, and I realized that's because I was not patient. Okay, so I should have trust in the indicators. So if I waited for this blue star, right, I bought at maybe around this position here. Okay, I would easily profit much more. So I realized this star indicator really helps. And you can see, especially in the 3-minute candle on the right, when you see a blue star and a blue star here, this blue normally will last pretty long. As you can see here on this side, whenever there's a blue star that appears, the uptrend can be as much as 1%. Okay, around there. So 1% is not too bad. 1% makes me like $20. Okay, and plus you drawing trend lines, you roughly know when to exit and when to enter. All right, and what I like about this speed indicator below here, so even if you, let's say you enter over here, and you saw at the bottom here that is red, it gives you a indicator that it's time to exit. You cut your losses before you lose the trade. So some people will choose to stop loss, but I don't like to stop loss. I prefer to dollar cost average. That's what I prefer to do personally. It's higher risk, yes, and but that's my own style of trading. So if I would have waited for this blue star, if you see, you also pay tahan. All right. Anyway, it happened. Okay. So another time again, I didn't wait for the white star. I do a short position because I thought that maybe the white star will appear somewhere around here. I didn't wait. Okay. So I didn't wait. It continued to go higher up here. Okay. So it was a big weight. From here to here, it was, let me see, from here to here, it was about close to negative maybe $15. Okay, but what's interesting is if I would have waited and bought and wait for this blue star, okay, I would have made about, let me see, this easily would have made me about maybe 40 Sing dollars. Yeah, 40 Sing dollars if I have waited. Unfortunately, I didn't. Okay. So one mistake I learned from today is um wait for the star then sell. Okay, I sold too early. Alright, I really sold too early. Even if I bought here, I will still be in profit when I sell it here. So the star really does help a lot. So this paid indicator is really worth it. So this one here, I did a short here. I saw the white star. Kind of panic. I was worrying because when I saw this over here, and I saw that it's considerating it may not go down. I was a bit worried, and the RSI was at the bottom, so I scared it would suddenly shoot up all of a sudden. So I decided to take a profit here. I make a small profit of 0.52, which is about maybe $7 over here. Okay, then as again the mistake was I should have waited for the blue star. But if I waited for the blue star, I would have made less money. Okay, so yeah, correct. I will just basically break even if I waited for the blue star. So I roughly knew it's going to go up because when I saw this pattern here, which I really know many times. Every time when I see this, it has some room to go up. So I started to draw two trend lines over here. Okay, and trend lines are very important. But sometimes it's very hard to guess, what's going to happen. So what's interesting is on the 1 minute, right, it shows so complicated, so many stars. But on the three minutes, right, very interesting, right? If I would have followed the 3 minute, which I don't like to follow the 3 minute because I have to wait very long for the indicator to appear. All right, the profit will be even much more. Okay, that's what I realized. Okay, so you notice it start to have star crazy madness, so many stars. Okay, so I was like wondering when is it going to go down. I was waiting for it because I saw this blue star. I know the next star is going to be white, means it's going to go a short, going to go down. So I'm waiting for it to go down. All right, I was really waiting for it to go down, but instead of going down, it went up. Instead, okay, it kept going up and up non-stop. Okay, so you can see here it was very frustrating. I thought it would go down. I thought it would go down here because I saw this trend line. I thought it would go down here, so that's why I did a short here. But instead of going down, it went up. Okay, so again, mistake was did not wait for the star again. All right, should I waited for the star here? And some more, the blue star shows long, but I go and do a short. So I went against the direction, which is wrong. Okay, very wrong. So that was another mistake again. So it was going up. I was panicking. I was losing money here. I was like losing. Yeah, in trading you will lose money. So I was losing like $30 here. At this point, it was about $30. Okay, so you can only go up some more until here. I was losing about maybe 35. If I sell, I will lose $40. But I was confident that it will go down eventually. But I just don't know when. Alright, I don't know when. So I draw two trend line. Okay, I draw the trend line. So trend lines are important. This trend line, you can see this yellow trend line. Okay, so I knew it will go down, but just a matter of when. Okay, I was waiting for the white star, which took very long to appear. So finally, the star appeared over here. Okay, and when I saw this, I was praying like, please go down some more, so that I can recover my loss over here. Okay, so this was actually from here waiting to here is almost like 1-2 hours plus. Okay, because it's quite a long hour. I didn't have any mood to do a short here already. By then I was only concerned about this trade. Because that time it was negative $50. Okay, so it's quite stressful. Okay, so I wanted just to recover this as much as I can and reduce my loss. Although some people will say, why not you put a stop loss? I don't personally like to do stop loss because I'm quite confident in my trend line. So the trend line tells me it will go down, but just when it will go down. And true enough, it went down eventually, as you can see the white star on the right side. So it really went down. So I traded until this point over here, and then I just stopped for the day at 12 o'clock. So I started at 8:30 a.m. and stopped at 12 p.m. and took a break. So I cut my losses. I sold around here, and instead of losing $50, I only lost $5. All right. So this was a losing trade, and I thank God I closed at this. I was hoping it would close at neutral, but I just take a $4 loss, better than a $50 loss. Okay. So overall today I didn't make money. In fact today I lost about $30, but it's a learning lesson, and I hope what I share in today's um trading log, will tell you, what are the mistakes that I did. All right, so basically now this is a live trade. You can see, if I will continue to wait over here, that means I wait here and go down. All right, I can make a profit, but I personally already waited like 1 hour already, and I don't feel comfortable waiting further. Although another mistake I see myself doing here is, I know there's a white star, and whenever there's a white star shown on the 3-minute candle, it will go down, 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 down. So this is a live trade now we are seeing. So I know there'll be, now what we're waiting for is a blue star. And what I realized is this star, right? In the 1 minute, it shows many stars. It goes down, up, down, up, down, up. And one here only show one, but here shows so many stars. All right, because these are basically areas where basically people are to take profit. So when I see a white star, okay, in the right side, what I'm waiting for is also another white star, a smaller white star on the left side to do my entry. All right, so this white star actually right there on the right you see here is actually around this position here. Okay, so the white star in the 1 minute is faster. The 3-minute white star on the right is slower. So if I bought here, it will be the best position, which is down here. Okay, and we'll make a nice profit. All right, this star alone, if I would have bought maybe around where the star is, which is around here, this will give you about maybe 2% profit by now. So that's quite a good profit margin. That's about maybe $40 to $50 Sing for one trade. All right, so that's not too bad. Okay, not too bad. So I hope this sharing helps you, because most of the YouTube videos out there, they always tell you all their success story, but they don't tell you their mistakes, and don't tell you what to avoid. So number one rule of trading is have to be patient. I'm a very impatient person, so that's one problem I have. And yeah, so basically this is basically what I want to share in today's trading log, and I hope to improve my trading the next session in my trading log. If you enjoy what I just shared with you and you learn something from this tutorial or this journey with me, please consider to subscribe, and also to share this video with your friends who love trading. And as I said, remember to trade safe and be patient, and you will get the winning trades that you want. All right, God bless, and see you in the next video.